Hey guys, hope y'all are doing well. Hope y'all are staying fit and eating healthy. We all make fitness resolution around the New Year's, but at the same time, we forget them later. This time, let's break the pattern. Let's understand what fitness encompasses to make the best out of it. What does fitness mean to you? Does it mean getting stronger, building more muscles, or increasing your stamina? Depending on our goals and our understanding, each one of us has a different notion of fitness and we pursue it in our own way. However, to get the maximum benefit from exercising, it is vitally important for you to adapt a holistic approach to fitness. When it comes to my philosophy of fitness, I believe in including all the components of fitness in a systematic and a scientific way. Think of it in this way. While composing music, a composer uses an equalizer to strike the perfect balance between the treble and the bass. If the treble is higher, then the music comes across as high-pitched. However, if the bass is too high, then it comes across as bassy and dominating. Hence, an equalizer strikes the perfect balance that we need for a perfect track. This is what your body needs. Including 5 components of fitness will strike a perfect balance in our fitness regime. Be it achieving better fat loss, overall health, or longevity. We need to regularly work on all the 5 components of fitness to get the best out of our efforts. This approach is what we call holistic fitness. Before we get on to it, let's talk a little about the 5 main components of fitness that contribute to this holistic approach. So my friends, the 5 components of fitness are: 1 is the cardiorespiratory endurance, 2 is muscle strength, 3 is flexibility, number 4 is muscular endurance, and number 5 is ideal body composition. I will break down each of these 5 components for you so that you know what steps to take next and how to go about working towards your 2021 goals. Guys, now that we have spoken about a holistic approach in fitness and the 5 components, did you know that they are interdependent and have a profound influence on one another? Yes, they indeed are interdependent. So let's discuss how each of these components are related. So what usually tends to happen, guys, is that we focus on a particular component of fitness and forget about the others, which stops us from achieving a complete lifestyle fitness regimen and impedes us from sustaining our active lifestyle because of the lacuna left by the other components of fitness that we ignore. The first component of fitness is your cardiorespiratory endurance. It is a level at which your heart, your lungs, and your muscles work together when it is in an activity. With more cardiorespiratory activities like walking and running, you improve your oxygen intake and activate the mitochondria present in each and every cell in your body that helps increase our energy levels for a prolonged period of time, thereby increasing our endurance. As for the second component, which is muscle strength, some of us might not have enough muscle strength compared to others. If you lack the muscle strength, strength training will provide you with the support required to withstand activities such as running and walking and help you work on your muscular and your cardiovascular endurance for life. Additionally, the aging process leads to a gradual and a progressive drop in your muscular strength, leading to poor posture and also weakness in the body, with muscle tissue shrinking in size, a phenomenon technically known as atrophy, the weakening of the bones leading to osteoporosis, and a dramatic drop in our natural ability to burn calories at a high rate during the day. Guys, to reverse this process, anti-age, and to increase our body's ability to burn more calories and maintain a lean looking body, it is vital that this component of fitness be included in your fitness regime. Let's take an example of a marathon runner. A marathon runner would require more muscular strength in order to protect the joints, such as the joints of the ankle, the knee, and the hip, as the impact of running can be really jarring on these areas of the body if the muscles are lacking the strength and the size in them to sustain the tens of thousands of strides and repetitions done by your lower body on the tough, concrete, solid, and rocky surfaces during the run. It may lead to a lot of inflammation. Typically, one requires to run a long distance while maintaining a respectable pace so that one can generate and build on the general endurance. Strength training makes your joints in the hips, the knee, and the ankle more resilient and capable to run for long distances without easily swelling up. So if you need to carry out such endurance activities as marathon, you must supplement your regimen with strength training as opposed to just running to build your endurance while training for a marathon. In terms of flexibility, the third component is the ability to move your joints through their full and complete range of motion. A leaner body usually is able to move the joint to their complete range of motion with relative ease than an overweight or obese individual. Your body composition, including your body fat, your bone, and muscles, make up the human body and play a major role in determining your flexibility. With too much of body fat, flexibility exercise like stretching and touching your toe become extremely difficult. Therefore, if you wish to work on a complete range of motion around the joints and move with ease, it is crucial that you aim to achieve your ideal body composition so that not only do you reduce the risk of heart disease, reduce your cholesterol, and optimize your health, but also improve your fitness by making running, stretching, lifting objects, and moving safely without injury an easy possibility by staying within your ideal body composition. Going back to the same example, a marathon runner will have to include stretching and other flexibility exercise for his ankles, hips, and torso so that the risk of injury drastically reduces and the power output at each and every joint involved in running is optimal. And if you lack flexibility, many physical activities may result in injuries and pain. Therefore, to sustain your active lifestyle and live life restriction-free, you need to practice being more flexible. So guys, losing excess body fat through cardiorespiratory endurance activities like running and jogging, along with strength training, will help you achieve your ideal body composition and give you a better output when you are stretching and training to become more flexible. This cardiorespiratory endurance training will also ensure that in the gym, when you're working out, that you do not easily and prematurely fatigue out. If you want to stay energetic throughout the day, recover better during your workouts and in between them, then developing endurance through aerobic activity is vitally critical. The fourth component is muscular endurance, which is your ability of the body to work for a longer period of time. Not only do we aim at becoming stronger, but we also aim to be strong for an extended period of time. Moreover, cross-training activities such as elliptical trainer, swimming, rowing, and stepper machine are all some of the best form of cardio as they engage all your limbs in the body, and by engaging your upper body muscles as well as your lower body muscles simultaneously for an extended period of time builds your aerobic capacity drastically, makes the powerhouses within the cell, the mitochondria, which are responsible for supplying you with continuous energy throughout the day, get a great workout, become more powerful, and therefore cross-training is the best form of aerobic or cardiovascular activity to build not only your general cardiorespiratory endurance, but also to build the endurance of your muscles in the upper as well as lower limbs. With this, a better endurance in the muscular system helps in prolonging activities, staying energetic throughout the day, and recovering better from your workouts. With consistent workouts and proper nutrition, my friends, you will be able to strike a fine balance between all the aspects that make your body. For example, regulating the fat in your system and building muscle strength and endurance. And the fifth and the final component of fitness is ideal body composition. Your body composition is defined as the percent of your fat weight within your overall weight. As you know, we are not only made up of fat tissue, but we are also made up of the non-fat components which comprise of our organs, bones, muscles, skin, and the hair. Maximizing your non-fat weight by regularly engaging in strength activities is the most effective way that you can burn your body fat, keep your metabolic rate higher throughout the day, achieve a leaner look, and boost your non-fat mass, which is the skeletal muscles around your joints, to make your posture better. Having said that, possessing a higher weight of body fat is not healthy for us, and it actually takes a toll not only on your health, but also your fitness is negatively impacted as excessive fat in the body makes us slow, less energetic, drops our metabolic rate, tremendously and restricts our joint from achieving a complete range of motion comfortably, and it also impedes natural movement patterns. Therefore, aiming for ideal body composition by stimulating your lean skeletal tissues through regular resistance training gives you aesthetically superior shape, makes your joints, body and posture stronger, increases your calories burned throughout the day, and reverses your biological age, which is vitally important for your fitness and well-being. I hope you have understood the importance of including all these components in your fitness regime, as they all help your body come together and function to its best capacity. This is exactly what your body needs and what is provided by my scientifically designed 8 rounds lifestyle management show only on Disney Plus Hotstar. Now let's move on to these components of fitness and understand how they can be achieved. Having spoken about the interdependence of these components, here's how to achieve them. It is important for us to have a balance when we plan our exercises. They should have the right mix of the 5 components, and that's the core thought behind 8 rounds, a scientifically designed workout regimen by me to help you fight all the lifestyle diseases with this holistic approach to fitness like this. Here are a few activities that you can do in order to maintain the balance. For musculoskeletal strength, you need to jump, you need to move fast, you need to do some plyometrics and lift weights. For cardiovascular endurance, running, walking, jogging is very important. For muscular endurance, cross training, swimming, trekking, boat rowing, and for flexibility, as per the American College of Sports Medicine, the ACSM, stretching each joint for at least 15 seconds a day is important. Foam rolling, soft tissue maintenance work, and Pilates will improve the flexibility. But before we come to body composition and its importance, let's ask ourselves, what is the ideal body composition for me to have? Have you noticed how men and women respond differently to working out and progress? And have you ever wondered why women need more body fat than men? In a healthy male, fat must be no more than 15% of his body weight, while in a healthy female, it must be no more than 20% of her total body weight. Why this difference, you might think? Well, there are 2 reasons for this. To begin with, women lack the muscle-building male hormone in the body called the testosterone. Hence, they find it difficult to maintain high muscle mass. And more importantly, due to the childbearing responsibility, their metabolism is designed to produce more fat to support this function. Rest and recovery plays an important role in your body composition. Yes, surprised? Rest and recovery is an important aspect, as important as your workout. As a part of taking care of your muscle tissues, we must make sure that we stimulate them with speed and resistance, follow a good nutrition plan, and rest appropriately to ensure that the body has adequate time during this recovery period to supercompensate to make you stronger and fitter. This also helps in bringing you to a favorable fat percent. Understanding your body is the first step to a better quality of living, and your fitness journey is what will help you explore more areas of your body and the functioning of it. Trust me guys, this will help you on a long-term basis. With that in mind, let's move on to our next concept, which is how do the components of fitness actually influence each other and contribute to your fitness journey. We must understand how these components play a major role in determining whether or not you lead a healthy lifestyle. Indeed, all the aspects are interconnected and interdependent to achieve good health, and when we work out, it is of utmost importance to incorporate all these 5 aspects. People are often puzzled about their progress. Your body adapts to the strength training over the days as you perform the activities consistently. As you progress with hundreds and thousands of hours of training under your belt, the muscle mass that the body carries from day 1 is subsequently and progressively more. Hence, you find it easy to perform the same kind of activity with ease. There are 2 reasons for how this works and how the components play a role in your fitness journey. One is that your brain is able to instruct your body better in terms of recruiting muscle fibers to carry out the strength activities, also known as the neurological pathway upgrade and building of proprioception within the body. The other adaptation is over these hundreds and thousands of days of fitness consciousness in you, you would have taken better intake of your protein in your diet. and become more regular with your workouts and stimulating your muscles with progressive resistance. As a result, the size of your muscles around the joints that are responsible for flexing them and extending them are now stronger and thicker in size, a phenomenon known as hypertrophy, where the size of your muscle fiber grows in size to adapt to the increasing resistance and demands placed on it. Hence, the weight you lift on day 1 becomes a lot easier to lift on your day 100. This is how the body adapts to strength training and makes you physically stronger and more resilient. Over the course of your fitness journey, your heart and cardiovascular system becomes stronger. The network of blood vessels also becomes more efficient at delivering nutrients to your tissues and cells. And moreover, your muscle that you are using take in more oxygen. All this is a result of your body adapting to your fitness journey. This is what your cardiorespiratory activity and muscular training does to you. Guys, a regular and efficient workout along with proper nutrition will help you attain the balance that you need. I truly believe that achieving holistic fitness and working on all the 5 components of fitness will ensure that you are the best version of yourself. And this is exactly what 8 rounds aims at providing for you. A harmonious way to include all aspects of fitness into your workout regimen. This scientifically designed workout routine has a proper breakdown to suit each aspect of the 5 components, ensuring the best results for you in form of a complete package under 30 minutes. So join me on a journey towards fitness with 8 rounds only on Disney+ Hotstar now.